Hello friends, in this video we will do the unboxing of black cylindrical lights. So these are lights which are put on the maybe your car parking or maybe on the ceiling of your balcony, especially when you have a wooden ceiling. So let's open it. I have purchased it from Amazon, and there are two sets of these, so four each. So four of the bulbs are 6 watts and the other four are 12 watt each. So this is the box. Now let's unbox it. So you can see different bulbs. So it gives 2 years warranty, and this is from a company called Mufasa LED ceiling surface, and this is the shape of the bulb. So first let's take out all of these. How many of these are there? So I think there are 6 plus 4, 10 lights. So these larger ones are the 12 watt each, and these smaller ones are the 6 watt bulbs. So let's open one from each of these. So you get a few screws, and this is the light. So this is the light. It looks really nice, and it has a shiny golden surface, and the bulb LED is included here. So you have to just put it in the ceiling. So I think this part you can take out, then fit the screws and fit this part back and connect these wires. Now let's see the larger bulb. (12 watt bulbs. So these are 6 watt bulbs. So if you have multiple of these, I think you will get ample lighting, and the light is warm white, which looks really nice. Now let's see this bigger 12 watt bulbs. So everything, the design would be similar, only thing is that it's larger in size. All the other mechanisms remain same. So again you get some screws. And for size comparison you can keep it. So let's compare yourself. So this is a bigger one. Maybe it's good for your car parking or outdoor balcony, anything on the ground floor. So let's see from side. This is the difference in height. From top, this is the difference in thickness. But both of these are warm white, and it will look really nice on wooden surfaces. You have to put it like this. So I hope you like this video. If you want to purchase these lights, I will put a link for each of these 6 watt and 12 watt bulbs in the description of the video. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.